The topic I'm going to teach today is wearing in different weather, and it is a reading and writing class. The intended learning outcome are as follows, and this class will focus on understanding and using Chuan Dai correctly, describing clothing items in different seasons or weather, and expressing similarity using 差不多一样. So now class begin. There are 4 pictures representing 4 seasons, and we can see people wearing different clothing items in different seasons. Now let's do some warm-up exercise. Let's discuss in groups and tell the Chinese words what they are wearing. Maybe we can form 4 groups. You 2, group 1, and group 2, group 3, group 4. Group 1, please describe the first picture. Group 2, describe the second picture. Group 3, the third picture. Group 4, the last picture. Just tell the Chinese words they are wearing. Is that clear? 1 minute. Group 2, group 3, group 4. So time's up. Time's up, and group 1, what's your answer for picture 1, 春天? Just tell the Chinese word. 裙，连衣裙，裙子。T 恤。
牛仔裤。
牛仔裤。Good. What about group 2? 短裤。墨镜。帽子。裙子。Good. And group 3? 帽子。毛衣。The last group? 冬天。毛衣。手套。Very good. You all did a good job. And these are the picture, the Chinese words we have discussed. T 恤、短裤、墨镜、毛衣、围巾、手套. In this class, Mark and Amanda also talk about these Chinese words. And we can see here, let's see how they talk about these clothing items. And we learn 2 words first. 穿, 戴. They both means wear. As we can see, before the clothing item, there will always be a 穿 or 戴 before that. 穿几件毛衣 wear sweater, 戴围巾和手套 wear scarves and gloves. Now, please fill in the blank. This blank discussed in groups. Let's see what's the wearing differences between 西安和成都 in the text. 在成都穿什么戴什么，在西安在成都不能穿什么戴什么。So please discuss in groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Discuss. 看一看在西安穿什么，在西安戴什么，成都不能穿什么戴什么。And I will ask 2 students to write on the board. So now I want to ask 2 students to write on the board. Any volunteer? Maybe Yang Duo. Could you please write 在西安穿什么戴的什么？语嫣， 在成都不能穿什么，带什么？Thank you. So is that correct? 双瑞他们写的对吗？
应该对吧？
对。So here's are the correct answer, and please check on it. Okay, as we've talked about, we use 穿 with 毛衣、T 恤、短裤. We use 戴 with 围巾、手套、太阳镜、墨镜. Now, we all know that 穿戴 both means wearing. Now please discuss in groups what kind of clothing items do we use with 穿? What's the categories of 毛衣、T 恤、短裤? And what's the categories with 围巾、手套、太阳镜、墨镜? Please discuss in groups. So, time's up. Group 2, maybe 咸微. Can you categorize these items? What are they? 它们是衣服. They are necessary clothes. What about these? Could anybody categorize these clothing items? 羊朵. They are unnecessary clothes, yet they are accessories. So, now we know the differences between 穿戴. Now please fill in the blank with 穿戴. I want to ask students one by one to fill in the question. Maybe you first. 他 fill in the blank.
穿大衣。
他穿大衣 The next one 雨露。他next one 他戴帽子。Next one 杨朵。他穿next one 齐月。他戴项链 Good。Next one 思彤。他们都
戴眼镜。
Good， 他们都戴眼镜。You all did a good job. Good job. And now please use 穿戴 to describe yourself and your classmate. And this is the sentence structure. Please discuss in groups. Group 1, 2, 3, 4. Use 穿戴 to describe yourself and your classmates. And here is the example. I want to ask someone to read out these examples. Maybe 一家. Could you please read the examples?
我今天穿衬衫和裤子，戴眼镜。徐拉今天穿裙子。
Okay. 穿裙。So now please discuss in groups to describe yourself and your classmates. Maybe 1 minute, and then I will ask one group to share your answer. Okay. 都讨论完了吗？ So maybe group 2, what's your answer?
我们3个今天都穿 T 恤，穿长裤。
都穿 T 恤，都穿长裤。
戴眼镜。
Oh, good. What about group 4? What's your answer?
今天穿 T 恤，戴眼镜。
And your classmate, your group mate?
我今天穿裙子。
Okay. Okay, you all did a good job. And except for the 穿戴, I want two students to read out these two sentences. Maybe you two. Please read out the two sentences, line 6 and line 7.
穿这么多衣服，你还能走路吗？西安冬天的气温和首尔的差不多，我不打算带太多衣服。成都的天气怎么样？和西安一样吗？
Okay, I have highlighted two words here, 差不多, 一样. And does anyone knows what's the meaning of 一样 in Chinese? Um, 语言, what's the meaning of 一样 in Chinese? In English? The same. And 差不多 means almost the same or similarly. They all share a similar meaning, and also these two words, they share the same sentence structure, and we will use like A 和 B plus adjective plus complements. And we can see complement here is not compulsory. These two sentences are presented in the text, and let's see more examples. And I want some students to read out the sentences one by one, maybe from 语言 first.
西安冬天的气温和首尔的气温差不多。
一家，
他的工作和我的工作差不多。
思彤，
成都的天气和西安的天气一样冷。
齐越，
我的想法和你的想法一样。
公家 the last one.
王玉和安排答疑。
Good. As we can see, there is something omitted in B, which have already presented in A. This is the rule of the sentence structure of 差不多, 一样. Now let's do some practice. Please translate these two sentences into Chinese. Use this sentence structure. Discuss in group and translate these two sentences. 1 minute. So, group 2, translate the first sentence.
一样高。
你和他一样高. What about group 3? Translate the second sentence. 下周的天气和这周差不多. Okay, good. You all understand the sentence structure of 一样差不多. And this is the last practice of today's class. And I want someone to read out this sentences structure. Maybe 双瑞 can read this for us.
我喜欢香港的春天、夏天、秋天和冬天。
And next, 香港的天气。
香港的天气和澳门的差不多。我会穿 T 恤，戴眼镜。
So using this sentence structure, I have write down the example like maybe Jianing, can you read out the examples? 我喜欢
香港的春天，香港的天气和广东的差不多。我会穿衬衫和裙子，戴帽子。
So this is the assignment. Please follow the sentence structure to describe the season you like in your clothing. And this is the example. After you write down your answer, please upload it to Canvas discussion. And this is the end of today's class. Thank you for listening.
还有10秒钟。好，谢谢。